What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I haven't made a video in a while, but here's an update on the lawnmower. Almost done. Well, almost. Dad's over cleaning carburetor. Got the seat down there we're gonna have to rebuild. Just wash it off so all the dust can get off of it. Got a motor on there finally. 17 horsepower. Briggs and Stratton. 17.5 Briggs and Stratton. Pretty nice. Yeah, he's redoing the carburetor right there. As you can see, got a lot of gunk in there. Not much, but just a little bit. Needs a new air filter or fuel filter. Needs gas. Needs a battery right there, a shot. Well, you know what I mean. Can't be used anymore. Needs a battery, seat redone, gas, and hopefully we get that rebuilt. And tires painted, as you can see. That ain't even painted. And I was thinking about making a race lawnmower, but I don't know yet. More videos will be up on my YouTube channel, Redneck TV fan page. Redneck TV fan page, yeah. Oh yeah, let me show you the muffler. Some type of stuff right there. I don't know what it is. It looks like JB Weld, but it ain't. Runs all the way down here, through here, up through there, and there's the muffler itself. Got that done on it. Yeah. Oh, we need to put the bolt the rest of the way through right there. It's just hanging on, as you can see right there. Right there. We're gonna be putting a smaller pulley on it right there. Don't really know what that is right there, but it's something. Getting a smaller pulley for back here. We ain't got a pulley up there yet. It's gonna be about that size right there. Needs more washed off, as you can tell. This hood right here is freshly painted. We are rigging up the lights, and I'm planning on putting a 6-inch light bar on it. And yeah, 6-inch light bar. Planning on putting it right there on the bumper. $19 at Walmart. Pretty good so far. I ain't tested it yet. It's been almost a year since I bought it. Didn't even try to hook it up or anything. I'm guessing, yeah, this is a mount right here. Right there. Yeah. Got this. Got a thing right here. Oh, and this right here is the brake right here, and chicken, and a clutch right here. This is the clutch. All the stuff up here. Fast, slow, lights. Well, I'm trying to make this like just regular lights up there, and making this over here, right here, just the light bar switch right there. There's the keys. John Deere 170. If you can tell me what this model is, because I don't really know right now. And yeah, that rim's painted right there. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of the video. Like I said, please like, subscribe, and comment. Share, do whatever. I don't really care. Just please subscribe and try to like the video. And yeah, that is it for the mower update, part 3 or 4, I believe. And see you all. Let me try to get a screenshot. See you all later. See y'all later. God, I suck at YouTubing. Bye, guys. Please like, subscribe.